All right, some more good news. It will be a big day in Las Vegas tomorrow. After more than 2 months now, many casinos and resorts will finally get to reopen. Ron Futrell is live with more on this and some of the concerns as well. Hi, Ron.
Hi there. Yeah, there are a lot of serious concerns here by the casinos. Initially, they thought the coronavirus fears was going to be the main issues, but now they've got serious security concerns they have to be worried about for the reopening tomorrow at various Las Vegas casinos. Take a look downtown here. They've already set up a bunch of their metal detectors down there because the violent protests the last few days has brought on those concerns here. At Fremont Street, by the way, it's open now. It is open right now. It opened about 9 o'clock this morning with those metal detectors there. They plan to have a countdown to the casino's opening on the canopy just before midnight tonight. Now, earlier today, Metro Sheriff Joe Lombardo spoke with Good Day Las Vegas about the new security concerns.
I'm glad the resorts are opening. We've been in constant conversation with their security apparatus, as a police department should be in these type of situations. We're given advice both ways on how we should do this going forward in conjunction with the Gaming Control Board.
Now this is video of the Bellagio preparing for their opening tomorrow morning. They are lighting up the fountains with a special show at about 9:15. Then opening the doors of the casino at 10 a.m. For a full list of casinos and when they're opening at what times, go to our website, 8newsnow.com. Now coming up later tonight, we're going to have a report from some of the, we'll call them one-off casinos, like smaller casinos, if you will, the South Point on the south side of town, the D in downtown Las Vegas, and how they're preparing for the opening. Reporting from the Las Vegas Strip, Ron Futrell, 8 News Now.